A day in a life as a Pedronian, day number 3. So dito guys, kakapasok ko lang sa school nito, and then this is Shaira, and yung nasa likod ko is Ivana, and then hi guys, happy Valentine's nga pala. And speaking of Valentine's, ito si Abanico, binibigyan niya ng chocolate si Ivana, and they were girlfriends and boyfriends na. And then yung si Ana kinikilig sa gilid, and then si Ivana may kinukuha siya sa bag niya. We're assuming na ballpen yun, pero yung pala KitKat. So yeah, binigyan nilang isa't isa, and then we have extra each other, diba? Like, sobrang sweet. So guys, disclaimer na, pagpasensya nyo na ako naka-horizontal kasi parang nagagandahan na talaga ako sa view dyan. And then kasama ko dyan sila Rabino, Kaaya, and Umali. Hindi lang kita si Umali kasi nasa kabilang tissue siya. Pero katatapos lang ng subject namin yan na entrep. And then, I'm so happy na nakakuha ko ng 10 out of 10 sa recitation. And, ayan, so nag-flip the bottle lang kami habang wala kaming subject sa ICF kasi niyan. Kasi parang tapos na kami and lahat naman na kami nakapag-comply. And then, ayan, kaya kung mga dyan, napatayo ko yung bote. Ayan, napatayo ko siya. And, ayan guys, nagpapalipas oras lang kami dyan and nagkukwentuhan ng mga friends ko habang yung iba nagwa-Valentine's. So, ayan guys, we've officially started our first subject which is science. Sorry again na naka-horizontal. I know na dapat nakatayo. Pero like, ayan. So, ayan, ang topic namin for today is different formulas ng how to get the final velocity displacement, and then the final velocity squared, etc. And then, ayan, like, nag-ano lang kami dyan, nag-discussions lang kami. And then, ito na guys, yung Valentine's Day namin, ng mga Pedronians. Ayan, and then guys, guess what? Hindi na akong maiyak dyan because there are some advices and it reminds us to love Jesus and how Jesus sacrificed His life for us. And that's the main point of that event. And I'm so grateful na naging part kami ng event na yan. So guys, pauwi na ako. And I think that's it guys. See you on my next vlog.